Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make thumbnails. Now, thumbnails can be frustrating sometimes if you don't know the right way to make them. So, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a good and, proper thumbnail. Okay, so here I am. You can see my screen now. I am on Pixlr X right now. And basically, all you have to do is search up Pixlr X, just like this, Pixlr. And then what you're going to do is you're going to hit this plus sign. Then you'll have a bunch of these new images if you already have an image you want to import. But if you don't have an image you want to import, then what you're gonna want to do is come down here to create new, and then you're going to have full HD, which is 1920 by 180. You can name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it thumbnail. Okay, and we hit enter, and here we go. You have basically just this screen. This is what the thumbnail width and height is going to be. And so basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to an image. So say you're making a Minecraft video or something, you'll want to search up Minecraft images or something along those lines. And yeah, then you're going to have these like images that pop up. You can click one. Then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna right click, and then you're gonna want to hit save image as. Then you can save the image what you want to save it as. So just name it creeper. Okay, then you hit save. It's gonna be here. Then you can come over to Pixlr X, and then you can hit add image, browse. Then you can go to your file here and click it, and your image is going to be right here. You can make it smaller, make it bigger, you can rotate it, whatever you want to do with it. I am just going to keep it the way it is right here. Just going to make it larger. Okay. Now, if you want to, let's just go Minecraft Steve. Here we go. So say you click this and you don't want the background on it, so what you're gonna want to do is you want to save it. Then we can just name it Steve. Then you're gonna want to go to remove.bg, and then you upload an image. Then you pick the Steve, and then here it's gonna get rid of the background for you, so you can import it without that white background being on there. Then you want to download it, bring it here, insert it. It's gonna be Steve remove BG preview, so you're gonna want to open that, and then there you go. You can have it anywhere you want it to be. There's other stuff like layout and template. Add text if you want to add text to it, like here's a new default text, but then there's also different formats that you can have. So I'll just add a new text. Go ahead and name it Minecraft. There we go. You can change the color, the size, whatever you want. I will make it red, and then we can move it around and stuff. Then if say, oh yeah, I don't want something here, so you can go to where is it? Okay, so if you wanted to crop something out, you would want to select it on the side here. Then you could use this lasso cutout to crop it out, or you could just like hit remove. But say you make a mistake, you can hit undo, then there it is. So yeah, that's the basics. If you guys have any questions, you can leave a comment and I'll try to respond to them. But yeah, and then when you're done making your thumbnail, you can just hit save, and then it'll have you name it. So we'll just name it thumbnail again. Then you can download it, and now you will have that. And then when you're making your YouTube video, you can go ahead and put that as your thumbnail. That image is your thumbnail. So yeah, that's basically all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video on how to make a thumbnail. If you guys, like I said, if you guys have any questions, you can leave a comment and I will try to answer those. But yeah, I hope this helps, and I'll see you next video. Bye.